Hey, how's it going? It's been a while since my last video. I've actually made a bunch of videos in between, and I should have some more time to compile those together and get them on YouTube for you. Here's another video. Hopefully I get this one up sooner than later. Anyway, I got this Epiphone Les Paul in, and the guy wants the action lowered. And it's buzzing all over the place, and you look down the neck, take a look down the neck, and it's pretty nice and straight. A little bit of relief. It's more straight though. It's minimal relief. Over here it looks nice and straight as well. The action's at a 16th at the 12th fret on both sides, high and low, and also it's at a 16th down here at the 22nd, 21st, whatever that is. You play it, and it buzzes all up and down the neck. So the action's low, the nut is fine. I checked the nut is at the right height. The action here is nice and low, and the guy wants the action even lower with no buzzing. So I took my fret rocker, because the next thing that you would think would be high frets, and where is it? I checked them all, and what was it? There was a real bad one up here. Yeah, that's one. That's a real high one. There's a couple more. So he just needs a level crown and polish. And I have another video detailing that. And once I'm done with this, I'll go ahead and lower the action even more. And yeah, I'll have another happy customer. Alright, take care. Subscribe if you want.